लुइझिन बाब, तुम्ही राज्यसभा एमपी पदा वयल्यान रिझायन जाल्या, पण तुम्ही अजून टीएमसीन आहा काय टीएमसींतल्यानू भायर सरल्या?
No, that will follow. My resignation from the party will follow. I'll just consult some people and I'll follow it.
ओके, त्याच्या उपरांत तुमचे प्लॅन्स कितें आसतले?
Nothing at the moment. I'm not going to join any political party at the moment.
पण खंयची पॉलिटिकल पार्टी बी हे तुमच्या रेजिग्नेशनाचे आयकून अप्रोच बी जाल्या तुमकां बी पार्टीन
A lot of people may approach, but my decision is very clear. I don't want to join any political party at the moment.
ओके, आता रोखडेच एका वर्सान लोकसभा इलेक्शन आहा, सो एनी प्लॅन टू कॉन्टेस्ट?
If at all I take any decision, I will definitely inform you. But right now, no joining any political party.
तर तुमचे सकाळी डिसिजन जाला आणि इव्हिनिंग काँग्रेसीचे गोवा डेस्क इन्चार्ज गोंयान पावले, त्यांचे मिटींग चालू आसा.
I am not aware about it.
कनेक्शन्स आहा काय म्हणून कितें?
No, I am not aware.
पण यू विल बी इंटरेस्टेड टू जॉइन बॅक काँग्रेस अगेन?
I am told you, no, at the moment I am not going to join any political party.
But you will be active in politics?
I can't say. I will definitely be active because I have raised around 40 issues which I have given in my press statement.
Yes.
I am now this regarding Dr. Francis Luizinho's memorial thing which is going to be there, and so many issues I have taken. Definitely. I have never taken any issue about Bengal. I have taken all around 40 and odd issues about Goa.
Hi. तर तुम्ही ते फॉलोअप करतले म्हटलेले की इश्यूज तुम्ही ते सगळे फॉलोअप करतले, पण खंयच्या प्लॅटफॉर्माचेर ऑर इंडिव्हिज्युअल म्हणून तुम्ही करतले?
I have always taken issues which are very near and dear to Goa.
पण खंयच्या पार्टी हेजेर?
No, I told you I am not going to join any political party.
कितले टाइम गॅप आसतले सर?
I can't say.